In this video, we will be going over Te Amare Toda la Vida for Mariachi Advanced Class Period 4. A couple things before we begin. Keep in mind that this is 3 flats. The key is C minor. So we have B flat, which is low 1 or low 4. E flat, which is 3 and 4 touching. And A flat, which is 3 and 4 touching as well. Okay, there's a bunch of accidentals. G sharp, B natural, just to name a few. Given the fact that it's a bolero, an arrangement done, with Javier Solis, so it's pretty complex. So we're gonna take it real slow from the beginning, and we'll be shifting from here to third position. And keep in mind it's double movements, so second and third violins will be playing something completely different. So here we go. Starting on G natural, give you 4 to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. G sharp. 2, 3, 4. That's an 8th note, so it's really short. Next part, section 1. It's a slurred. 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And that's E flat, don't forget. So we're going to do section 1 again, but this time we're going to take the second ending. So we're going to be skipping this first section here, and right after that A flat, we're going to be jumping to the B natural. Here we go, section 1. 3, 4, 1. 1. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And that jumps to section 2. Next part after that, we have unison parts starting down here. So we're going to start there after the 2-bar rest. They're all slurred, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next part after the 4 rest, slurred. 3, 4, 1. 1. Then the next part before we start, so we're going to start at their position, and then we have a 3-note slur, 2-note slur, 2-note slur, and an E flat. So we're going to go over that part very slowly. Ready? 3, 4. 1, 2, 1. Okay, we'll do that again a little bit slower so you guys can get the hang of that. That's probably one of the most complex part of the song. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Moving on. 3, 4, 1. 1. Which leads us to the coda, which will be the beginning of the song again. Let's take a look at the coda to end it. So we have it's going to be down on those G's, down, down. 3, 4. Next part. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and that's it.